Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here, or if you're not new here, welcome back to my video. As y'all can see the title, what I will be doing today's video, I will be doing like what I got for my 21st birthday haul. I would say the gifts is for my family, and I really appreciate it for them. I'm really grateful for them. Like I don't need big gifts. I don't need expensive gift. It's like little things. Little things matter, and that really make me smile. The small things, you know. And they just give me stuff for my birthday, and I really appreciate it. But yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all some, like a mini haul. You know what I got for my birthday, and I would like to show it to you guys. As y'all can see, a birthday bag. I will show y'all what I got in here. You know, nothing big. I got 2021 planner. I have been using this a lot. It's really helpful for you plan out your day, your schedule, what to do. It really help a lot. My sister gave me this, Tanana. She gave me this for my birthday, and I really appreciate it a lot. I like a makeup bag. Look at this. This is so pretty. But it's not. I mean, I don't wear makeup, but I do use this for my perfumes in here. So I got my perfumes in here. I just use a bag for my perfume. I can use it with anything. With a pencil bag, I use it with anything. But yeah, and she made me a birthday card. I really appreciate it. It is. Oh. And this is another gift that I was really excited and happy. Yes, your girl got a camera. I got a camera. My brother and sister gave me a camera for my 21st birthday, but I am using it right now. I can't really film my iPhone right now because they said I got storage. Like I don't have no more storage, but I do got to clean up my iPhone. I will do that soon. But yeah, I got a camera. I can't wait to do a lot of videos. More content is coming soon. But yeah, this is a digital camera, 2.7K unit HD. I would say this is a good camera for beginners, YouTubers who want to be a YouTuber or small YouTuber. I think it's really good for this. It got a lot of settings on here what you can do. It's really good. I like it. I really appreciate it for my sister and my brothers. Yeah, I really do. Really appreciate it. It came with two batteries. It came with two batteries and a charger. Yeah, a charger and a strap. But yeah, they got me a camera. They got me a camera with, oh my god. Thank you so much. But I will show you what my sister Thirty got me for my birthday. She got me Adidas Ivy Park by Beyonce collection. Look at this. It's a skirt and a dress together. When I said I opened the box, I was speechless. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I put it on. I like it how it feel. I like, oh, this very good quality. This sweater is good. Yeah. This is good. This is good. I like this, but y'all can see the picture of me wearing it. Wonderful. Like, this thing feels so comfortable to wear. The quality feels nice. Everything. If it fit one my body, she got it. I think she got this in large, but it fit very comfortable in large. Like, for real. This feel very comfortable. That's pretty much it for my Okay, so that's pretty much it for my little mini birthday haul for my 21st birthday. Like I said, I don't need big expensive stuff. I don't need things. And all the things well my sister and my brothers and my whole family got me for my birthday this year. I really appreciate it, and I'm very grateful for the gift. I really love them. I really love them all. Really do. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for the video. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below how you like this video. Comment below what you got for your birthday this year. What month, what day is your birthday? Wow, how's your day? Just comment down below when your birthday is coming up. Oh, your birthday passed. Comment anything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I hope y'all had a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya. Oh, I got a camera. I got a camera.